So there is this mystery project I have been following for a while. It's called 10KTF. Many of you already know about 10KTF project as it has blown up in the past few months. It's a NFT project that offers unique wearables for holders of specific NFT projects. I personally like this project because it is story-driven project unlike any other I have seen. The team consists of more than 30 people, and more impressive are the 4 co-founders: Beeple, Guy Oseary, Michael Fig as a CEO, and Tim Smith. As many NFT fans already know, Beeple is one of the biggest artists in the NFT space, and he sold his NFT collection for $69 million, and that was one of the main catalysts for the 2021 NFT bull run. Michael Fig is the CEO of Venue Labs, and he is also the CEO of the company named Possible. This company specializes in, as they themselves say, creating the world's distinctive, lasting and substantial visual campaigns. His company has worked with many big names like Ariana Grande, Childish Gambino, Coachella, Lady Gaga, Riot Games and others. Third co-founder Guy Oseary is a heavyweight in the entertainment industry. He has established an ultra-successful career as a manager of top musical and acting talent. He has worked with major names including Madonna, U2, Amy Schumer and the Red Hot Chili Peppers. In addition, he has written books and launched a venture capital firm. Looking at the 10KTF, it seems like they have a top 3 team in the NFT space, so it is one of the most bullish projects out there. Lately they had a partnership with luxury fashion giant Gucci, and they did a very interesting drop where they dressed up 4,500 NFT avatars, making a new separate collection called Gucci Grails. 10KTF is interesting in the way they present new drops and updates because they do it by telling a story, starting from MAFIA TOADZ vandalizing Wagmi-san's shop and burning it down later when the fight between gutter cats, wolves and toads break out. Many are speculating that there could be an avatar drop as the story evolves, but nobody has an actual clue what is coming next. 10KTF project also blew up based on some leaks and clues where they featured Bored Ape Yacht Club on 10KTF world map and had a hidden cold drink next to Wagmi-san. Based on the fact that one of the co-founders is Guy Oseary, who has signed a representation deal with Bored Apes, seems like there will definitely be a collab in the future. One thing about this project that many people still don't know is that they are planning to launch their own token called New Tokyo Dollar. This would reward NFT holders as well and give their NFTs an extra utility. Overall, I think 10KTF has a potential to be one of the biggest NFT projects in the world long term, based on how good is the team and the huge background each member has. They have world-class expertise in creating an amazing NFT products, having a world-class live venues and big possibility getting into a mainstream entertainment industry with a help from Guy Oseary. As Steve Jobs once said, the most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. And I couldn't agree more. So keep an eye on the 10KTF story and the mystery of Wagmi-san's universe.